Look, flaming orange is the colour in our garden today. That's Cape Honeysuckle from South Africa. Cape Honeysuckle from the Cape region. Very beautiful. Isn't it lovely? So beautiful, beautiful. We've got a yellow one too. We bought a yellow one, but it hasn't quite bloomed yet. So pretty. Listen to that. That's the king parrot. It's bright orange too, actually. Footsteps. Intruders. Where's that king parrot up in the tree? Look, there's a bright orange king parrot up in the shade of the loquat tree. Orange is the colour in our garden today, isn't it? Beautiful orange colour. So pretty, blends in so well with the leaves, all that greenery. Look at you there. Where are you? Come on, show your face. Focus. Don't focus then. I think there's a second one in there somewhere. There's something orange. What's that there? Another one, yes. Orange is the colour in our garden today. King Parrots from Australia. And Cape Honeysuckle from South Africa. That's a male, that one. Look at him. Isn't he gorgeous? I should try and get closer. Oh, bright orange. Cape Honeysuckle from the Cape. What is it? Tecoma, capensis. That's the Latin. There's my boyfriend using a drill or something, a power drill. That's either a female or a junior male, that one, because it doesn't have an orange head. Under certain lights it can look red, so it depends on the light whether it registers in my eyes as orange or as red. That's its back. Doesn't look like a leaf from behind. You can hardly tell, can you? And you just happened to notice it was there. I almost didn't even know. I was walking backwards and forwards and it knew I was there, but I didn't know it was there. It's just a leaf now, isn't it? Where's its friend? Actually, there are 3 of them altogether. There are 3 of them altogether. Where are they? Oh, there you are. There's the male. He moved. Isn't he gorgeous? They're waiting for me to go away so they can eat apples. So, the more crabapple trees we plant, the more king parrots we'll have. Not only that, since they got rid of Patterson's curse, that's the weed called Salvation Jane, since they got rid of the weed, there's a new original native is springing up. The original ruby saltbush is springing up everywhere around these parts. So soon there'll be fields and fields of ruby saltbush. That means berries for these birds to eat, native berries. Looks orange, doesn't it? Or coral colour. Yes, there'll be fields and fields of berries. Ruby saltbush will be everywhere. Hello, beauty. Hello, beauty. Aren't you gorgeous? Hear their high-pitched whistle? Look at your eyes. You know you're being watched, don't you? What's the Latin for your name? Is it scapulari or something? I forget what it is. Well, there's a ripe pomegranate under the tree for them, and some apple. As soon as they go away, they'll eat that apple and pomegranate. Isn't he colourful? Up high in the leaves somewhere now. Oh, there you are. Up in the courage tree above the loquat tree. So colourful. You're in your element, aren't you? You look redder now than you do orange. So that's a king parrot and courage leaves and a bit of loquat leaves as well. Hello. So lovely. We've got to plant more crab apples, yes. They love crab apple. I've seen them eating privet. They'll eat privet berries. My London friends who have parrots could probably feed them elderberries, ripe elderberries. They will eat some privet berries, ripe. Yes, orange is the colour in my garden today. It's an orange day in the garden, autumn garden. That's Tecoma capensis, Cape Honeysuckle.